Hello friends, welcome to Dashboard. Today I am going to explain how to use DateRangePicker in React.js. You can use it like this and click OK. Date will be appear here. If you don't want, click this multiply symbol button. It automatically redact to this text. Okay. Now I will tell you how to use this. Okay. Here I am going to import. Sorry, I want to install this package is the DateRangePicker package. Here I am going to use one more extension. Here I paste it and I am going to install this package. Okay, I am going to add some other lines. Okay, this is the DateRangePicker. Here I am going to input the DateRangePicker and this style. Okay, I'm going to paste it. After that I'm going to import this. I'm going to use this inside the div. I close this. In these dates I have imported these external CSS here. This is the style for the div. This is text align will be center and padding top will be 30. Okay, and I save all. I'm going here. Yeah, will be like this. Okay, if it is okay, you can use this, or otherwise after that I'm going to change the style of this DateRangePicker. Okay, multiply symbol and the calendar symbol will be placing in the same place. Okay, I'm going to change the style. Okay, I'm copying this. This style for text editor width. Yeah, it will be increased. This is for DatePicker line. I will save and I will show you. Okay. Yeah, it will be just a little padding bit before this text. Okay, so that I am going to add this style. That is for calendar align. I will save and I will show you. Yeah, that calendar will be initially present in this place. After now I change the style, I get this calendar icon in front of this date. Okay, after that I am going to change the OK button. That will be big size, so that's why I am going to change the size. Yeah, my calendar button size will be changed. Final one is I'm going to change this style. I want this in round background, so I'm going to change this style and I save it. Now I go here. Yeah, the button style will be changed. Here the range. Okay, if you like this video, click like button and subscribe. Thank you.